Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. If you're new, hi, I'm Taylor and welcome to my channel. In today's video, I am going to be testing the SuperStay 24-hour color liquid lip gloss, and this is in the coffee edition. I am going to be doing a wear test and a drink test, so if you are interested in finding out if this lip gloss lasts all day, just keep watching. But first, go ahead and hit that like button down below and subscribe to my channel because I would love to have you. Also, make sure you have your post notifications turned on so you're notified every time I upload a video. I upload new videos every Tuesday and Friday. Let's start the video. Maybelline SuperStay 24-hour 2-step liquid lipstick coffee edition is available in 5 shades. The shade I have is Hushed Hazelnut. You can purchase the coffee edition liquid lipsticks at any drugstore that sells Maybelline. The coffee edition liquid lipsticks are perfect shades for fall time. The SuperStay 2-step liquid lipsticks retail for $10. Okay guys, so this is what the component looks like. On this side you have your liquid lipstick, and on this side is the lip balm. It's kind of like a top coat. Here's what the applicator looks like to that liquid lipstick. It is kind of long, which is kind of strange. So I'm really not sure how this is going to apply. And then here's the lip balm side. You twist it and the lip balm comes out. So on the packaging of this lipstick, it says it is anti-transfer for up to 24 hours. So I definitely am going to be testing that out, and I'm going to be doing a drink test, and then I am going to be keeping you guys updated throughout the day on how well this is staying on my lips. Maybelline did come out with a line of liquid lipsticks that are coffee edition. So they are supposed to smell like coffee. So this one is part of the coffee edition lipsticks. So if you guys are interested in the coffee edition lipsticks and want me to test more out, comment down below and let me know. It definitely is coffee scented and I love it. I love coffee and I love anything that smells like coffee, so this is really amazing. This end is the coffee scented and this end isn't. I'm not smelling anything. It doesn't smell like anything. So this end is the coffee scented. Now I'm just going to zoom in and test out this lipstick. It goes on super easy. It's just gliding on. When I'm applying it, it's almost like a lip gloss. I'm loving this shade. It's super shimmery and pretty. Okay, so on the directions it says to let this dry for up to 2 minutes and then apply the lip balm top coat. So I'm gonna go off camera and let this dry and I'll be right back. Real quick guys, something I am noticing is that this is very sticky. You can see my lips stick together. It is so sticky. So I guess we'll see when we apply the lip balm if that gets rid of the stickiness or not. Okay guys, so it's been about 2 minutes, so this should be dry. Something I have noticed that the longer I waited for this to dry, the less stickier it got, but it definitely is still sticky. It's just not as bad. So before I apply the lip balm, I want to do a little transfer test. So I'm just going to kiss the back of my hand and see if any of it transfers onto my hand. And you guys see that none of it transferred onto the back of my hand. So it definitely is anti-transfer right now. Now let's see if later on, as the day goes on and I'm wearing it, if it is still anti-transfer. So I'm just going to be applying that lip balm. Cover my whole lips with it. So none of it transferred to the lip balm, and this is what my lips look like after using it. It definitely made my lips way more shiny, and the stickiness is gone. It is not sticky at all. My lips are shining and it looks really pretty. So far I'm definitely loving this, and I might have to go get some more. When they're saying anti-transfer, that's going to be for the lipstick. This lip balm obviously is going to come off. It is basically a gloss over the top, so it's going to come off during the day, so maybe you have to keep reapplying this if you want the shininess on your lips. So it's been about an hour since I applied the lipstick. The lipstick is still on and my lips are still shining, so now I'm going to be doing a drink test to see if any of it comes off. So I got my can of pop and my metal straw, and I'm just going to be seeing if any of it is going to come off. You can see that none of the lipstick transferred off onto my straw, only a little bit of the lip balm top coat came off, and not even that much. Hardly any of the top coat even came off onto my straw. So I'm really impressed by this lipstick so far. It still looks flawless and like I just applied it, but I've had it on for a while. So I just wanted to hop on here and update you. It has been several hours and this is what my lips look like. I just ate lunch and my lipstick is still on. The only thing that came off was the lip balm top coat. It is wore off after eating, so if you wanted to keep your lips like super shiny how it was when I applied it, then you would probably definitely need to carry that around with you and reapply it after you eat. But overall, I'm really happy with how this lipstick is lasting. You definitely could wear it all day long, and it's probably not going to come off until you remove it. So I really love this, and alright guys, that is all I have for you in today's video. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button down below and subscribe to my channel because I would love to have you. Also, if you are interested in seeing me test any of the other Coffee Edition Maybelline liquid lipsticks, comment down below and let me know. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.